All right. These questions sound very hard, and this molecule looks very complicated, but this question is actually not too bad. What it's asking is how many pi bonds are there in the structure of lysopene. In this one, we don't have any triple bonds, so we're looking at double bonds. And remember, if we have, you know, a molecule maybe has a single bond, and then we have these double bonds that represent our pi bonds. And so anytime we have a double bond, then there's one sigma bond and one pi bond. If it's a single bond, so this is double. If it's single, we just have a sigma bond. And so that's what this question is asking about. So it's essentially asking how many double bonds are there. And so if we look, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now, be careful of triple bonds that have 2 pi bonds in there. But in this case, it's all double bonds. So there's 13 double bonds, which means there's 13 pi bonds. Now, if it was asking sigma bonds, you'd have to add the 13 from there plus all the single bonds, which is considerably more. And so you'd have to, including ones like this, which are going out to a carbon. So there'd be a lot of sigma bonds, but we're in this case asking about double bonds, pi bonds, and so we would say 13. There we go.